Title: Transform your car's interior in minutes with the Bissell Little Green Mini. Opening scene: Hey there. Ever found yourself staring at your car's upholstery, wishing it was as fresh and clean as the day you bought it? Well, I have some fantastic news for you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of auto detailing with a compact powerhouse that'll make your cleaning routine a breeze: the Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. Introducing the product. Imagine having a machine that fits comfortably in your trunk, yet packs a punch when it comes to tackling tough stains and grime buildup. That's exactly what we have here with the Bissell Little Green Mini. This sleek, portable device is designed specifically for auto detailing enthusiasts like you, who want a quick and efficient solution to keep their vehicle's interior looking spick and span. Target audience: whether you're a busy parent constantly on the go, a foodie with kids prone to spills, or a pet owner dealing with furry messes, this versatile machine is your new best friend. Say goodbye to those stubborn stains and hello to a cleaner, healthier car environment. Key features: the Bissell Little Green Mini comes equipped with several features that make it the perfect addition to your car detailing arsenal. First off, we have the HydroRinse self-cleaning tool. This marvel of engineering ensures that you can clean your machine as efficiently as you clean your car's upholstery. Then there's the 4-inch tough stain tool, designed to penetrate deep into fabrics and lift away even the most persistent stains with ease. And let's not forget about the built-in cord wrap for easy storage: no more tangled wires or messy setups. Comparisons. Now, I know what you might be thinking: how does this compare to other car detailers on the market? Well, let me put it this way. The Bissell Little Green Mini is a portable powerhouse, offering the same deep cleaning performance as larger machines but in a compact, easy-to-use package. Plus, its versatility means you can take it anywhere, from your car to your home for quick touch-ups. Use cases. So, how do you use this fantastic machine? Simple. First, fill the removable water tank with warm water and a bit of Bissell's 2-in-1 formula for extra cleaning power. Next, attach the appropriate tool to the handle. The 4-inch tough stain tool is perfect for deep-seated stains, while the HydroRinse self-cleaning tool is great for general upholstery care. With your machine ready to go, simply apply the cleaning solution directly onto the stain or soiled area and let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic. After that, use the power brush to work the solution deeper into the fabric and lift away dirt and grime. For any remaining stains, simply repeat the process until they're gone. Practical tips and instructions: to get the most out of your Bissell Little Green Mini, remember to rinse off the area thoroughly after cleaning and let it air dry. This will help avoid any residue buildup or unpleasant odors. Additionally, always clean a small test area before tackling larger stains to ensure that the fabric holds up well to the solution. Call to action: so, are you ready to transform your car's interior and say goodbye to those stubborn stains once and for all? With the Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, that dream is just a click away. Head over to Amazon today and make your cleaning routine a breeze. Keep it clean, my friend.